Hello, and welcome. Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of makeup and beauty, exploring the art of enhancing your natural features for every special occasion. Whether it's a glamorous wedding, a casual date night, or a professional business meeting, the right makeup can boost your confidence and make you feel your absolute best. Let's start with the basics. Before even touching a brush, prepping your skin is crucial. Always cleanse, moisturize, and apply a primer. This creates a smooth canvas, allowing your makeup to last longer and look flawless. Next, the foundation. Choose a formula that matches your skin type and tone. Remember, less is often more. Build coverage gradually to avoid a heavy, cakey look. Concealer is your best friend for hiding imperfections. Apply it under your eyes, around your nose, and on any blemishes. Moving on to the eyes, eyeshadow palettes offer endless possibilities. For daytime looks, opt for neutral shades. For evening events, don't be afraid to experiment with bolder colors and shimmers. Eyeliner can define your eyes, making them appear larger and more captivating. Mascara is the final touch, adding volume and length to your lashes. Blush, bronzer, and highlighter are essential for sculpting and adding dimension to your face. Blush adds a healthy flush. Bronzer warms your complexion, and highlighter illuminates your features. Apply them strategically to enhance your bone structure. Finally, the lips. Choose a lip color that complements your overall look. From subtle nudes to vibrant reds, the options are endless. Consider the occasion and your personal style when making your choice. Now, let's talk about specific occasions. For weddings, a timeless and elegant look is often preferred. Focus on creating a radiant complexion, defined eyes, and a classic lip color. For date nights, a more playful and romantic look can be fun. Experiment with smoky eyes, bold lipsticks, and soft, glowing skin. For business meetings, opt for a professional and polished look. Stick to neutral tones, subtle eye makeup, and a natural lip color. Remember, practice makes perfect. Experiment with different techniques and products to find what works best for you. Don't be afraid to step outside of your comfort zone and try new things. Makeup should be fun and empowering. It's all about enhancing your natural beauty and feeling confident in your own skin. Thank you for watching, and I hope this inspires you to explore the wonderful world of makeup and beauty.